Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a duck pond cake. I'm kind of excited. I've already made a duck cake before. I will show it here. But I wanted to emphasize the pond a little bit this time, where it's a little bit less one giant duck than it is actually the pond. So let's get started.
I start out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. And I cleaned up the cake board. Then I rolled out some light blue fondant and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut the excess off with a sharp knife. Next, I took some yellow fondant and modeled a rubber ducky type duck and placed it on the cake. And 2 smaller ducks, trying to make them look very similar, and placed them following the larger duck, like a mother duck with her ducklings. I spent a moment looking at them and added eye holes. Then I rolled out some green fondant and cut relatively random pieces of grass by cutting strips the width of the cake and making one end wider and the other end pointed. And I placed all the tiny pieces of grass on the side of the cake. This took quite a bit of time, so I sped up the footage. Then I rolled out more green fondant and cut out a few lily pads for the top of the pond. These are just vague heart shapes without a point on the bottom. Then I added quite a few jelly beans on the bottom of the cake to be rocks. I used a pointed sculpting tool and added some lines in the lily pads. And I mixed some orange food coloring with clear alcohol and painted it on their beaks, and some undiluted brown food coloring for the eyes. How adorable is this cake? It's perfect for a child's birthday. I love the look of the cartoonish pond on the rubber duckies on top. So cute. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.